Inverse function. Inverse function are functions which reversing the coordinate of each ordered pair of the function or undo another function. In simple word, if any function f take x to y, then the inverse of f will take y to x. You can also easily determine which is inverse function if function that can be reversed into another function. One-to-one function where every value in the range is the function values of exactly one and only one value domain. And in f of x is a one-to-one function whose ordered pairs are in the form of x and y. Then its inverse function is f minus 1 times x. Is the set of ordered pairs y and x. Also, in determining one-to-one function, mapping and table of values in any given x, there is only y that can be paired with x, and that is in terms of ordered pairs. In terms of graph, if every horizontal line intersects the graph of function in the most one point, then the function is one-to-one. In a function, input and output refer to the values that go into and come out of the function. Input. This is the value that you give to the function. It is often represented by x and comes from the set called the domain. It is all the possible input values. Output. This is the result you get after applying the function to the input. It is often represented by f of x, meaning the function of x, and comes from the set called the range, and all possible output values. One-to-one function. A function must be one-to-one. Each output corresponds to exactly one input. To have an inverse. Domain and range of inverse function. The domain of the original function becomes the range of the inverse function, and the range of the original function becomes the domain of the inverse. Separating the function. The number assigned to a given variable determines the value of the function at the number. When you evaluate the function, it means that you are going to solve for a function value given a particular value of the variable used in the equation. Function can be added, subtracted, multiplied, and divided, just like the individual terms of a function itself. The notation for this is a partition. F of x plus g of x means to add two functions together and also can be written as f plus g times x. Subtraction. F of x minus g of x means to subtract the g of x function from the f of x function and also can be written as f minus g multiplied by x. Multiplication. F of x times g of x means to multiply the two functions together and also can be written as f times g times x. Division. F of x divided by g of x means to divide the two function and also can be written as f divided by g times x.
So guys, ngayon mag-solve tayo ng inverse function. Makikita natin dito, meron tayong problem na f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. So ang unang first step natin ay papalitan ng f of x ng y. So magiging y equals 2x minus 3 ito. Ang second step naman natin ay pagpapalit natin yung x sa y, kaya magiging x equals 2y minus 3 ito. Ang third step natin ay ililipat natin yung 2y minus 3 sa left side, kaya magiging 2y minus 3 equals x ito. Tapos itong negative 3, ililipat natin siya sa right side kasama ng x, kaya magiging 2y equals x plus 3 ito. Tapos i-divide natin yung 2 by itself, kaya magiging 2y divided by 2 and x plus 3 divided by 2. Magiging y equals x plus 3 over 2. So ang ating f of x ay magiging f of x equals x plus 3 over 2. Yun lamang po, salamat.
So, we have here f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. So, we're gonna get the inverse of this one. What we're gonna do, papalitan lang muna natin tong f of x. Magiging, gagawin natin siyang y is equal to 2x plus 3. And then, pagpapalitan lang natin tong si y tsaka si x. So, pagsuswap lang natin sila. So, magiging x is equal to 2y plus 3. So, kailangan natin makuha yung value ng y. So, ang gagawin natin is, pagpapalitan lang natin siya. So, magiging, ilipat natin kasi dito yung x. So, magiging 2y is equal to x minus 3 kasi pinapalit na natin. So, magiging minus na to. Then, over, kailangan natin maalis tong 2. So, para makuha natin yung value ng y. So, over 2 natin siya kasi pinalitan and cancel na yan. So, ang inverse natin is yan. So, para natin susulat kapag inverse, so we write it like this. So, ito na yung inverse ng function na to.